Good evening, everybody. This is Andalib, and today is 8th of August, and the time is little past 7 in the evening. And today, I do not have any political topic to talk about. Therefore, I am gonna talk about my day. What happened today with me? Today, I went to the dentist. It was like the highlight of my day. Nothing interesting has happened today other than, I just went to the dentist for a checkup. And first, as I am in Ayurvedic college, I went first to my teacher because there is this ENT department in our college, and I thought that my teacher might know something about dentistry because he sits there in, there is a little dentist OPD in our college, and he sits there. So that is why I went to him and I said, there is something in my mouth, there is a little problem in my mouth. And I went to him and he just, flashed a torch in my mouth and said, I do not see anything, and I don't know much about dentistry, so I think you should go to a proper dentist. And I was like, okay. And the teacher is really good, he's an amazing doctor. He knows about eyes. We have Shalakya Tantra that covers eye, nose, throat, and he knows about eyes. He is a really good teacher and a good doctor. And he clearly said he does not know anything about mouth, he does not know anything about dentistry, therefore I should go to a proper dentist. And after that, I went to the proper dentist, okay. There is one of my batchmate, I contacted her and she told me the dentist because she has been to that dentist earlier. Therefore, she told me about that dentist and therefore I went to that dentist after that. And when I went to that dentist, he let me in. I told him that I am a final prof student of Ayurveda from this government college, and he said okay. Then he checked me up, and after that he said that you need to put on braces, okay. The braces, the steel that we put on our teeth. He said you need to put on braces. Come 1 week after and I'm gonna do a little bit of scaling, then I'm gonna do a little bit of filling, and after that you need to put on braces for a while. And I was like, come on, I do not want to put on the braces, but he said that will be good for you, okay. There are some other ways by which we can treat whatever you have. I even do not know whatever I have. There is some cavity in my teeth. He has said that there is cavity in a lot of teeth of mine. So therefore he has said the best thing that he can do after filling, that he will advise me to put on the braces. And I am thinking, what's gonna happen, okay. Do I need to put on braces? I do not want to put on braces. But we'll see what will happen, okay. There is a scheduled appointment of Thursday. I will go there, he will do cleaning and scaling, and after that he will tell me what will happen after that, okay. So yeah, this was my day. And I do not have any political topic to talk about because I don't think anything interesting has happened in politics today. Other than Prime Minister Narendra Modi went to the convocation ceremony of IIT Delhi, in which he used this line, the line that is generally associated with Gen Z, first in my bloodline to see this. I have seen a lot of folks on Twitter using this line, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi today in his speech in the convocation ceremony of IIT Delhi has said that many people are saying that they are first in their bloodline to build a jeep. He was talking about the startups of the youths of our country, and he said that many people are saying that they are the first in their bloodline to build up jeeps and build up, the things that they are building. So he used this line, and everybody, his supporters was like, there is just another way to establish an outreach to the Gen Z, that he is using the slangs of Gen Z, he is using the phrases of Gen Z. Yeah. And apart from that, I do not think anything has happened. Raghav Chadha this morning met Prime Minister Narendra Modi today, and this was it. And I am making this video around 7 today. I generally make my videos around 5 or 6, but I am making this video around 7 of the evening because, as I told you, I went to the dentist around 5. Therefore, I was busy there, I got late, and I am making this video. And the sun has set down, okay. Therefore, after a while, you will not be able to see me in this video. Therefore, I should complete this video faster. And I do not have any other topic. Let's see if I can find something. And yesterday, I told you about that meeting that Thalapathy Vijay has called out a meeting of all the MPs of Tamil Nadu, both the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha MPs. But there are 57 MPs in Tamil Nadu, and I thought there are just 47 MPs, 39 Lok Sabha and 8 Rajya Sabha. But I was reading an article of India Today that said that there are 57 MPs and DMK, AIADMK and all the opposition parties are going to boycott this meeting. Therefore, only 20 MPs are expected to be present in that meeting. Thalapathy Vijay is going to discuss that delimitation bill with those MPs. But the opposition MPs of Tamil Nadu, they have declined his offer. They are not going to be in that meeting. Yeah, Thalapathy Vijay is opposing that delimitation bill, and DMK is also DMK is also opposing that bill since its very start. So this move has to do everything with state politics. DMK just want to be seen in opposite sides of Thalapathy Vijay. That is why they are boycotting this meeting. They are not going into the meeting called by Thalapathy Vijay. And yeah, this was all for today. Okay. Come on. And I think that the prime of a male is just up to 25 years of age. Once you have crossed 25 years of age, there is going to be a downfall. You just have to resist that downfall. How much can you resist that downfall? How much you can stop or delay the impact of that downfall? Otherwise, you're gonna have a downfall for sure after you have crossed 25 years of age. I have crossed that age of 25 years and I am seeing the effects of that downfall. My hairs are thinning, my hairline is receding, and my vision is going. My vision has not gone that much, but I can feel that my vision is going. My teeth, there is some problem in my teeth. The problems in my teeth has started, and earlier, about 2 weeks ago, there was some problem in my liver. So I think I have crossed my peak. I'm just falling. Okay, it is all downhill for me after 25 years of age. And I think for every male, I cannot say about women, but I think for every male, once you have crossed 25 years of age, there is going to be a downfall of your peak. There is going to be a downfall of your prime. You are no longer in your prime once you have crossed 25 years of age. Oh, but I just have to deal with dental problem now. I am dealing with this hair loss issue. I was dealing with my vision loss. Now I have to deal with this dental problem too. Okay. So yeah, I think I should go now because the light is going down. The sunlight, because sun has set down, the light of the day is going down. You will not be able to see me. Therefore, okay, I should go now. This was all from me. This is Andalib signing off. It was really nice talking to you guys. Sayonara, bye bye. Have a great rest of your evening.